Oh, hello, it's Tyler Bryden here, CEO and co-founder of Speak AI. Just doing a little bit of a walkthrough on an updated version of Speak. This is June 2022, and I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I'm already getting in my own way. So I'm in the dashboard right now. This is sort of the central place. You can see a bunch of quick actions in here. You can see how you can do more with Speak, the integrations, and then a little bit of insights into your usage. These are the recent activities that are going on, and then these are the ongoing activities. So at a core level, what we're trying to do is enable the capture of language information, multimedia, audio, video, and text. All I have to do if I'm doing Word document, this is a Word document, actual video, I can decide where I want to put that call, and I can very simply upload. It's going to detect the length and then move forward, upload that file. So fantastic, simple upload functions. We've integrated it to Zapier, we're integrating it to Zoom, a lot of different ways that we're integrating into different systems to make this even easier than possible. And I'll jump into what looks like a normal sort of individual video. In this regards, a single video file that's about 7 minutes long. And what you're seeing here are the automatic structuring of this information. So I know, for example, where are the keywords in this file. I can see customer is one, and then I'm going to jump through to that specific moment.
And also validating that you're going to have customers.
Beautiful. So from a navigation element, very simple to find something that's valuable to you and jump to that moment. Everything is completely searchable. That goes with the transcript, so I can go in for that same search and read the entire sentence related to customers, click on it.
Essentially, I look at the customers
and jump to that specific moment. There's also this idea of sentiment, which allows you to very quickly sort and find the most positive and negative moments within the media files that you're doing, find themes, find important moments that are part of it to help you sift through that information as quickly as possible. You can export into multiple different types, Word docs, PDFs, lots of different options to export, and then customize too. So I can say I want to display the speaker names, the timestamps, the visualizations, or I can go for a very clean export, just the transcript and export that. We've enabled this ability to share, so I can not just keep this internally for my own personal use. I can push this out as a recorder. Okay, yes, I see. I've hidden this one. I can push this out as a shareable asset and then be able to let anyone interact with it. So a lot of people are then using this to share things publicly and then engage. And then at the last part, a couple options to edit these pieces here. So I can go edit the name, description, folder, what folder it is, tags, and then the creation date. And the creation date then has ramifications if I want to analyze the insights, as well as if I want, I can order the professional transcription. So with that professional transcription, I can add speaker names, glossaries, specific terms, put instructions in that are important, and then I can automatically merge and then even rush that. It will automatically calculate the time and then confirm it, charge, and then you will see that our professional transcription team make the changes and then re-merge back into the system, which is fantastic. So a couple other things that I wanted to touch on quickly. This idea of default categories. And in this idea of default categories, there's the automatic structure of insights that is happening here, people, keywords, locations, et cetera, et cetera. So it's going to automatically try to find these within your media to help you organize it better. There's also this idea of custom categories where I can say, hey, there's things related specifically to, for example, revenue. And now these are the keywords and phrases that are relevant to that. I can jump in, I can say, money, and then I can save that, and automatically now I can move forward and I can find the word money just like in one of those insights across all the files that I have. So really powerful from an own version of extraction and how you want to customize and display that information in the insights panel, and then if you want to analyze this at a more high level, which I will jump into now. So this is the idea of exploring the insights that are emerging. And what's really interesting here is I've got this dashboard. All of the information is not being analyzed just individually. It's also culminating into a repository that then is auto-visualized, auto-analyzed, and can help you find things that you might not even think were possible or that had emerged because of just the capacity for humans. So much media, so much volume, so much, so many words in one transcript. Now what I can do is I can click, for example, on growth, and I can jump through to that specific moment and I can find every instance that growth had been mentioned. So in this case, there's a Tesla earnings call, and I can see that I think this will be a really massive driver of Tesla's growth. Okay, what was that? I'm going to jump and go to that exact moment. So
I think that really will be a massive driver of Tesla's growth.
Beautiful. So very quickly, you can see as you build more media hours, if not thousands, you can quickly jump to the most meaningful moments related to you. And sometimes those meaningful moments might change, but it will always allow you to find it with just a quick search. And we're improving that search mechanism all the time. The other part that I wanted to share and touch on is this idea of capturing recordings. So a lot of times people are uploading medias internally, but if you're trying to capture recordings from someone else, you can do this at scale without needing to have one-on-one interviews or anything like this. So I can say, hey, I want to get audio recorded. I think because I'm in incognito, this might not work. You can now see my email as I type this, so I hope I typed it right. And let's check. There we go. Recording. I'm talking. Stop. I can review this. If I like it, I'm happy. I can upload. If not, I can reset. And I'm going to upload into the system. And now what you're going to see if I refresh this is that the record is now there, June 2nd. I can download that, or if I want, I can view the recording. If I want, I can transcribe and analyze it, and you can see all the details there. I can turn this automatically on. So this recorder is this wonderful function that can be customized, custom branded. You can change the settings on it to configure it how you would like, with the length, with the kinds of, with the logo, with the color, everything that you want on it. So really fantastic tool, and another way we've seen people capture and enable the pipeline of transcription and analysis. There's so much more on the platform. We've got integrations. We've got the ability to create team members and add teams. You're able to organize those team members into groups and give them different permissions levels. And then there's lots of ways to customize your profile. And what we've also tried to do is even make creating a subscription as easy as possible so that you can customize it to your exact needs and you don't have any worries about paying for something you're not using. So I know I blazed through this, and I'm sure you might have other questions. If you're interested in learning more, please feel encouraged to send me a message, tyler@speakai.co. Check it out, sign up, send us a message on live chat. We're here to help. We love this stuff, and throughout all the years of working on it, we've really identified a lot of problems that can be solved, and a lot of challenges that companies and organizations have trying to figure out some of these systems and the best way to do it. So thank you so much for taking the time to look at this. And if there's anything else, again, please don't hesitate to send me a message. Bye-bye.